Aloha and welcome to Unrulr. I'm excited for you to use the tool as it's a great way for you as a learner to have greater agency over how you document and tell the story of your learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a post in the web browser version of Unrulr. So after you've logged in, the first thing you're going to do is hit this create button on the left. In Unrulr, you're choosing the story first. You're choosing the multimedia first before you start writing. So we're going to create a moment. I'm going to hit gallery and it's going to pull from the files that are on my computer. I'm going to choose these 4 images. I could also choose PDFs, videos, up to 9 pieces of multimedia in one post. Once I hit open, they're going to appear right here. Maybe I want to reorder this and have this image be first. I'm able to then hit the next button on the top right. And it takes me to what we call cogs in Unrulr. Concepts, outcomes, goals, or skills. This is what you're tagging every single post with. And the power of that is it allows you and it allows your teachers and other people in your organization and group to be able to track, to be able to see based on these cogs, your growth, your learning, you're able to filter based on them as well. So I'm going to choose 2 from this set, from this amazing school in Colorado. And I think my post is going to embody creativity and it's going to also embody teamwork. Now I'm able to create my post. I'm able to write a narrative around the images that are there. I hit next again on the top right. And then I'm able to choose what community I want my post to go in. You might have multiple groups. You might have 2 or 3, 5 or 6 that you're a part of in Unrulr. You might only have 1. Here's also where you can choose to have this post be just for you in your portfolio and journal of posts and moments. You can share it with someone in the teacher role in your organization, or you can share it, my personal favorite, with everyone that's in your group, that's in your cohort in Unrulr. I'm able to then preview my post and then post it. And what's also great is if I hit these 3 dots on the right of my image, I'm able to change anything. I'm able to add cogs. I'm able to add collaborators. Maybe I want to switch some images in or add some new ones. Or maybe I want to change the text in my writing as well by clicking over here. So at any point you can change it. I'm excited for you to use the tool. I hope you have a great rest of your day.